Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another devlog. In today's devlog, we're going to be working on the beach map. So, pretty much just a beach. Got a little rough draft here. I just added these rocks a second ago. I thought they'd look cool in the water. We'll see how that works. But, pretty much, this map, all it is just a beach, clearly, and water. And what we're going to add is, I'm thinking about probably adding, like, beach chairs, those, like, beach umbrellas, maybe like some rocks scattered around, and then a border, and we'll see how that looks. So right now I'm gonna get started on. I'm gonna try and make some beach chairs. Let's ungroup this if I can find it. Okay. So I'm add some beach chairs. These rocks, they came from the island map. I'm just reusing them. Yep, I'm gonna try and make some of those, see how they look, and I'm gonna throw in a time lapse. Alrighty, we are back from the chairs and umbrellas. Very good looking chairs and umbrellas, I might add. Yes, I know I'm not a builder, as you can clearly see. They look like butt, but they're not. They're probably not gonna be there forever. Probably gonna change. But right now, I guess we can do is add some decorations. Hmm. I kind of want to add the border first, so I'm gonna do that. I'm just thinking about having rocks around it. So let's just go do that. I'll put on time lapse. So I'll see you when I'm back from that. Alrighty, we're done with the border. Now all we need to do is add some rocks scattered around just for some little decor. And I'm thinking for the water, we're gonna do the same thing with the island where I'm gonna put sharks in the water. So if you do get hit into the water, good luck. That's all I gotta say. Good luck. But yeah, I'm gonna add some little pebbles scattered around. Um, yeah, we will. We'll see how it looks like from then. So I'll be right back. Alright, I've scattered a couple rocks around, little pebbles, whatnot. Now, this is definitely not the final product of the map. Every single map will have changes to them in the future, but I just need to. Well, I just want to make the game into a playable state for now, and then I can release updates on it. But I'm just making these maps how they are right now. Not too much stuff in them, but not so little stuff in it either. If that makes sense. So there are definitely areas I can change. Yeah, I know these don't look the best. These are definitely subject to change. Um, but oh, I need to make a 4 right there, don't I? Let's do that real quick while I talk. But yep, every single map subject to change, and it will happen. Oh, let's make this a little bit down. There you go. I really do read. I do read the comments. I will read them if you post one. Not a whole lot of comments again on videos, so it will definitely be read, and I will reply to it if you have an opinion on any of the maps. But if not, I'm just gonna keep doing it like I am doing. And I think next video I'm gonna be redoing the graveyard since that one did not look good at all, in my opinion. So I'm gonna redo that, and then after the graveyard, I'm gonna start scripting and start making the game work. So stay tuned for that. But right now, we're kind of done with this video. Let's check this. All right, we got rocks here. I might make it go a little deeper. I might as well do it right now. Get this. See how this looks. That is too deep. Let's do that. Is that good enough? Yeah, that's good. That is good. All right. So, yep, that's it for this video. So I'll see you all next time when I do the graveyard. But until then, peace out.